HTG's done a number of things to help our members, and the fortunate thing in working with Arlen and some of the thought leaders in our space is we've been doing it for a number of quarters. Since our members see each other quarterly, it's very easy to keep a cycle and a rhythm, meaning that we can bring training. We had a training at this event in Orlando. We had Microsoft and iPad come in and do cloud. We were doing that a year ago. The nice thing also is we have early adopters who are already doing things with Microsoft, with Amazon and others. They are now in their small groups of 12, not one of 250, where they can share those best practices, help others get the jump start, and bring people along at times that they want. So those are the main things that we've done to help our members get introduced to the cloud and make a decision for themselves, not the hype, as to whether it's right for them. Well, I think that's a great question, and it's a fear factor for a lot of people, especially owners who started their businesses from a technical background and may not have a real sales engine in place today. The simple math says we have to do more deals at lower margin, therefore we've got to have sales and marketing. So what we're seeing is a lot more emphasis both from people offering the cloud, the vendors themselves, trying to help us identify more leads, get in front of more people, use the tools, use templates in ConnectWise to where it's not a huge undertaking to contact a couple hundred people, whether it's events, etc. But clearly training salespeople, much like there were salespeople that weren't engaging to sell managed services after projects, there are going to be people that don't adopt the cloud. There's going to be turnover in that area, and definitely retraining. I think that's something that people think about in general, but until they really try to quantify it, they underestimate what that change is going to be. Our members have had the benefit of working with Paul Dipple and the team at Service Leadership, and they actually have a cloud modeling tool that really looks at where you are today and where you would be if you adopted some percentage of your business in the cloud, how that would change your utilization, your hours, and most importantly, your skill set. I do believe there'll be clearly turnover in what it takes to do integration across multiple cloud vendors, the database work, the BI, the analytics, that people want to come along with that, and that's going to definitely change the makeup of many of the technical teams and many of our HTG members.